Alright buddies, so we are here at Inline4Engineering.
ਗੱਡੀ ਲੈਂਬਰਗਿਨੀ ਪੀਲੇ ਰੰਗ ਦੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਏ ਚਲਾ
1 year ago, a vision got onto my mind, and I did announce a few months ago that we have started a company, an engineering company, all right? And I mentioned that we are going to be working on motorcycles. One thing concerning me, that is, most of us, not most, everyone, every biker has some issue with the motorcycle, okay? When you have issues, what happens? You only have two options. You either go to the dealership, okay, the company that you bought the motorcycle from, the showroom, and you know you don't always get the best response, which is unfortunate. But you need to have someone, something, a company, a firm, or a group of people doing something where they are taking care of you and your bikes with biking brotherhood and passion. All right, so there was a time me and a couple of other friends, we decided that we need to have our own service station, okay, for motorcycles. So Ritesh is here. You all know him, ZEUS Motorcycle gear, okay? Because when you're doing something very serious like this, you need a team of people who've got experience in various fields of life, experience in running a business, experience on, in PR and everything. So Ritesh has been into motorcycle gear and motorcycle business for a long time, right? So he is one of the very important partners, and we have Trinad. Trinad, you know him, you've seen him in many of my videos. He is the technical head, all right? He will be taking care of all the service, everything. So buddies, as you've already seen the place, okay? So what we are going to do here is basically anything with regards to motorcycles, right from a tire change, okay, which sounds easy but it is not. We can do a tire change, we can do wheel balancing, we can do mushroom puncher, which is very serious, and all the way till rebuilding an engine. Okay, we can do all of that. You have to fit something on your motorcycle, panniers, this, that, illegal exhaust, anything. We are here for you, all right? And after the service, after the warranty period is done, sometimes it's 1 year, sometimes it's 2 years, anything. Once the warranty period is done on the engine, we will do oil change for you also, okay? And our goal is to bring this service cost, not the spares or the oil, but the service cost we want to bring it down by 50% compared to a dealership. Very soon we'll put a tariff on the internet where every bike with the name, a tariff would be mentioned. Alright buddies, so we are here at Inline4Engineering, okay, and the location is right opposite to ZEUS Motorcycle gear showroom. It's in Madhapur, 100 feet road, alright.
ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਨੀ ਏ the one and only ਵਿਚਾਰੇ ਮੁੰਡਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਦਿਲਾਂ ਦੀ ਤੋ ਕਾਤਿਲ ਬਖਾ ਦੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਜਾਵੇਂਗੀ ਤੂੰ ਫਾਸਟ ਸਭ ਦੇ ਤੋਂ ਗੈਸ ਨਹੀਂ ਮਿਲੇ a bit harder yo I'm a rider